Hello, hello! Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, mga ka-network marketers. Kamusta kayo guys? Sa video na to, ang usapan natin, bago matapos ang taong ito, papaano mo mate-10x o mamumultiply by 10 yung network marketing result mo. So kung titignan mo yung naging income mo this year, paano mo siya mamumultiply by 10? So tingin mo ba guys, possible siya? So, naisip ko lang tong topic na to kasi nagko-compute ako ng total income namin for the year. Sabi ko, ano yung mga pwede namin gawin. So, meron na ako mga na-set na mga targets and mga goals. And wala lang, nasiisip ko lang, sabi ko, why not I'm gonna share this anyway to all of you para, alam mo yun, we'll have a point of conversation. Yan. So, kung nakikinig ka dito sa akin right now and bago ka pa lang dito sa page ko, or maybe you're listening to this, papakinggan mo to sa podcast or maybe sa YouTube or maybe dito sa Facebook. My name is Gerard and I'm an active network marketer. Yes, nagne-network po talaga ako up to now. So, hindi lang po ako dito hindi lang ako dito nagkikwento out of theory. I'm really building a network marketing team as we speak right now. But at the same time, dahil po sa mga experiences ko, na-realize ko lang na what if mag-create ako ng content for network marketers. Kasi nga, sa mahabang kwento. So, personal experience ko lang, parang I just wanted to create content so that people will still have a good reference for network marketing. So, alam naman natin na maraming mga tao na they look at network marketing as something that is negative, which is some of them because of bad experiences, or some of them dahil lang sa hindi lang nila naintindihan yung industry, whatever. So, in my simple way, matulungan kita sa network marketing business mo by creating this content. Okay? So, I hope yun yung dahilan kung bakit. So or if you're following me for so long, thank you so much sa pag-follow. I hope natulungan kita. No? By the way, kung matagal ka na nag-follow sa akin, ano yung isa sa mga content ko dito na nakatulong talaga sa'yo? Drop mo dyan sa my comment. Okay? But for now, pag-usapan natin, paano ba talaga i-10x? So, meron akong 4 dito na bagay na sasabihin. And yung pinakahuli, yun yung pinakamahalaga. Okay? So, 4 na bagay na isasuggest ko sa'yo na gagawin mo para mag-10x yung network marketing result mo before the year ends. Kung tatanungin mo ka dyan, nagawa mo na to, yes, I've done this many times in my network marketing business. Na alam mo yun, yung parang akala mo na walang pag-asa for the year but nag-home run ka ba before the year ends, no? So, I just want to share with you, some of those results actually by accident lang yan, parang hataw lang. Pero bibigyan kita ng specific na gagawin mo para at least matulungan kita. Tama ba? Game ba kayo doon? Type nyo nga game kung game kayo dito sa topic na to, no? So, the first one na gagawin mo para mag-10 times yung network marketing result mo bago matapos ang taon at para sisimula mo yung taong ito na excited ka. By the way, sino ba dito sa inyong ayaw na magsisimula ka ng next year ano ba? Like, may team ka na. Sinong gusto ng ganun? Like, you have an existing team, you have probably a group of people na masasabi mo na ito yung team na gusto ko talagang this is the team I wanted to run for the next year. Sinong gusto nun? Type mo ako. Yung tipo magsisimula ka next year na marami kayong excited sa grupo mo. Okay? Type mo ako dyan. Right? So, the first thing na gagawin mo, uupo ka, kung ikaw lang mag-isa, or kasama kung may partner ka, or may spouse ka, or may asawa ka, upuan yung dalawa. Lalo na kung dalawa kayo nagna-network. Okay? So, kung ikaw lang, hindi ikaw lang isa, upuan mo. Maybe bukas, baka possible bukas, day off mo, or wala kang trabaho tomorrow, or maybe after your work tomorrow, punta ka somewhere makaka-relax ka. Maybe in a coffee shop coffee shop. Have a piece of paper and isulat mo talaga. Ano yung gusto ko maging goal before the year ends? How much do I want to earn before the year ends? Napakahalaga nun. So, very, very important yun. Kasi, it all starts with you writing a specific goal. There's nothing mystical about writing. Walang magical about it. Nakuha niyo ba ibig kong sabihin? There's nothing mystical or magical about writing. It's just you thinking and putting it into your, para nag-embed siya. Nakuha niyo? So you write it down. Okay. Goal before the year ends. Okay. December 31, kapag nag-track ako ng income ko from this day up to December 31, ito yung total ng income. Magkano yun? Magkano? I want you to write it down. Kasi write down your goal. Very important. Bakit kailangan isulat? Kasi wag mo ilalagay lang sa mind mo. I've made this several mistakes over and over again. And I've made my alam mo yun, made by changes, talagang sinusulat ko yung goal. Very important. Something na makikita mo siya throughout the year, throughout the months. Ito yung goal ko. This is the goal. This is the target. Na every time na lilitok ako, anong gagawin, makikita mo siya visible. Alam mo, minsan may power yung makikita mo siya eh. Okay? Again, hindi ako niniwala sa mga magic kasi minsan maraming mga attraction of attraction. No, it's just simple. You write it down, nare-remind ka. You write it down, nakakapag-isip ka. While you're writing it down, you have something to look at it. Nakukuha ba? Hello Rizal, magandang araw, kamusta? Yan, nagets ba? Type nyo nga yes kung nagagets nyo yun. So the first thing you need to go, before ka humataw, before mo gawin yung dapat mong gawin sa pag-network, you write down your goal. Okay? Maliwanag ba? So don't start, I'm not saying hindi ka humataw, but you have to have a written goal before the year ends. In fact, that is the same thing that I'm going to tell you. Kung mag-vlog man ako as a start of the year, ganun din ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. But for now, nag-uusap tayo right now, I'm sharing this video right now. Write down your goal. Ano yung goal ko sa network marketing before the year ends? Kaya marami mga network marketers, lito sila kung saan sila magsisimula kasi hindi sila nagsusulat ng goal nila. Maliwan, tama ba? Type nyo tama. O type nyo guilty kung guilty ka doon. Huwag kang mag-alala, ako guilty din ako doon. Diba? Ina-assume ko lang lahat. But I've realized writing your goal is very crucial. Very simple. And I'll tell you, you're gonna love doing it. Ako, kung meron ako isang bagay na gusto kong ginagawa sa pag-network, nagsusulat ako ng goal ko. Maliwanag ba? So write down your goal. The second thing na gagawin mo as you write down your goal, second thing is, okay, may goal ka na. The second is you write down your activities. That will lead to your goal. Ano yung mga activities na magle-lead sa goal mo at the end? Okay? Ito yung mga alam mo na if you put your energy and focus into the following activities, magmumultiply ang network marketing business mo. Ano yung mga aktibidades na yon? In relation sa goal mo. Maliwanag ba? In relation sa goal mo, ano yung mga activities na gagawin mo right now? Clear? Clear ba? Ngayon, kung hindi mo alam yung mga activities, punta ka ng pinoynetworker.org, write on your pinoynetworker.org, or tingnan mo dyan sa may comments sa baba. Check it there. I-click mo yung link dyan. Magpo-proceed yan dyan sa course na ginawa ko. And that will give you step-by-step, no roaming around. It's the clear step-by-step process na gagawin mo sa network marketing business mo. Okay? So, go to pinoynetworker.org if you haven't got this course. Kasi thousands of network marketers already got that course. Okay? The first one, write your goal. Second, write down your activities. So, kung hindi maliwanag sa'yo, punta ka ng pinoynetworker.org. Right? But I'm pretty sure, kung medyo matagal ka sa network marketing, alam mo na yung mga typical na target and goals mo. Alam mo, typical na activities mo, that will lead you to your target and to your goal. Clear ba? Type nyo nga clear kung maliwanag yung sinasabi ko. Right? That's the second one. By the way, the fourth one is the most important to stay tuned on the end. Number 3. Eto na. May goal ka na. Alam mo na yung mga activities. Isulat mo yung mga activities. Ito yung mga gagawin ko. By the way, even the activities, you write a specific number. You write a specific number. Ano ba mga activities, Jared? Halimbawa, I will approach 5 people a day. I will find 5 customers a week. Maliwanag? So, may ganun kang activities. Tama? I will create content every day. Or every content a week. I don't know. Depende sa goal mo. Depende sa activities na ginagawa mo. Pero tingnan mo yung activities na yon. So, dapat specific din yon. Anong activity at ilan yung target mo for that specific activity. Clear ba? Type nyo nga clear sa my comment kung maliwanag. Yung wag lang kayong gagawin, hindi, hataw ako, yayaman ako sa network marketing. Yay! Hindi. Kailangan may goal ka. Merong kang, alam mo yung goal, alam mo yung numbers ng gusto mong income na nagpapa-excite sa'yo, nagpapakilig sa'yo, at the same time, isulat mo yung mga activity na gagawin mo. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Number 3. Ito na. Number 3. Write down the sacrifices you're willing to do. And kasama dito, sa sacrifices, isulat mo yung mga willing mo munang i-let go as of the moment. Na mga hindi siya, alam mong kaya mo siyang tanggalin na activities or mga distractions sa'yo. Of course, kung parent ka, hindi mo pwedeng tanggalin anak mo yan. Or asawa ko, spouse ko, of course, responsibility mo yan. Pero write down the sacrifices you're willing to let go. Or your sacrifices you're willing to do and the things you're willing to let go. Kung halimbawa, palagi kayong nagbabasketball ng barkada mo every week, Possible ba in the next couple of months, i-let go mo muna yon? Pwede naman siguro na sa time, alam mo yun, like you can even use those time to really build your business. Para kung gusto mo next couple of years, mag-basketball ka araw-araw, walang problema kasi kumikita ka. Nakuha niyo ba yung sinasabi ko? So, write down your sacrifices and mga bagay na willing kang i-let go. Okay? Maliwanag ba yun? Clear ba yun? So, write down your goal, write down your activities, and write down the sacrifice. Very important ito guys yung sacrifices. Hindi lang po pwedeng add. Kailangan may umit ka talaga in the process. Kasi you have a limited resource. You have limited focus. You have limited finances. You have limited emotional focus, mental focus. You have all these limitations in you. So hindi po pwedeng sasabihin mo what they call this, like, okay lang kung kasama ko lang ilalagay. I think hindi pwedeng kalat guys, hindi pwedeng kalat. Sa totoo lang. Kailangan alam mo talaga. Natututo ba? Type nyo nga learning ko, natututo kayo sinasabi ko. Type nyo, learning, yes. Hello, Ma'am Angela Banghal, magandang araw. Okay? So write down your sacrifices and write down the things you're willing to let go. I know this is tough. This is tough. This is really tough. Pero kung naniniwala ka sa target mo, alam mo, isa sa mga, I want you to know this. Ang isa sa mga people na talagang gustong-gusto mo talagang makasama sa network marketing, ito yung mga tao na gigil sa pangarap nila. Maniwala kayo sa akin, madidrain ka kapag ang kausap mo sa network marketing ayaw mag-network marketing. Maniwala ka sa akin. Tapos gusto mo silang pilitin, ako maniwala ka sa akin. It's like moving a big rock. Pero kung yung person na kinakausap mo, nagtatribe siya, talagang nakikita mo, naghahanap siya ng paraan para mag-network, nakaka-inspire yung ganun. So, sinasabi ko to kasi, the moment na maliwanag sa yung goal mo, yung mga activities mo, at saka yung mga willing mo i-sacrifice, naturally, may kita ka ng mga tao that you are really an attractive character to them. So, ang ibig kong sabihin, magiging attractive character sa kanila in a sense na, ano ba yung ginagawa nito? Bakit, ano bang meron dyan? May curious sila. Then eventually you say, wow, I wanna join. I wanna be part of your team. Kasi parang there's something positive in you. Okay, ba? And yun ang gusto natin. So write down your sacrifices and write down the things you're willing to let go. Okay, let's go to the last, the most important. The most important of all. Ready na kayo? Ask yourself. Meron ka ng tatlong part doon sa sinulat mo. Goal mo, yung activities, and yung bagay na willing mo i-sacrifice. This is the most important. As you looking at the numbers and the figure and the activity, lahat ng sinulat mo, are you willing to do those things? Willing ka bang gawin yung sinulat mo? Napakahalaga nun. Because we can talk motivational all the time. You know, it's really funny. I see people doing motivational talk lang, mga network marketers. Pero pag nakita mo yung activities, wala activity. Hanggang motivational lang nangyari. Sinasabi ko to sa inyo kasi this is the most important question you ask yourself. When you face with the reality of your business, kapag hinarap mo na yung katotohanan ng negosyo mo, na hindi pala to laro-laro lang, hindi pala to kung ano lang gusto kong gawin, hindi pala to kung kailan ko lang siya gusto gawin, hindi ko lang kung feel ko lang siya gusto gawin, if you're faced with the reality na ang network marketing business mo, may goal ka, may activity ka kailangan gawin, at kailangan may i-sacrifice ka, ask yourself, are you willing to do these things? I assume na nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin because some of you, kakasimula mo pala sa network marketing. And you're trying to figure out, ano ba nangyayari sa akin? Ano ba nangyayari sa business ko? Sabi nila, uupo lang ako. Sabi nila, sila na yung magpo-provide lahat. Uupo lang ako, mag-i-invest lang ako. Then pagpasok mo, na-realize mo na sandali lang parang hindi ata ito yung reality. Kaya lang, at some point, you're scanning content. Nakita mo yung content na to, nakita mo, and you think, sandali lang, parang tama yung sinasabi ni Gerard. Pero bakit ganun? Hindi ito yung, I didn't sign up for this. Naka nyo? Sino ba yung na ganung pakiramdam minsan? Type nyo relate. Na parang hindi ako nag-sign up sa ganitong hataw. Akala ko upo lang ako. Akala ko konting effort lang. Akala ko mag-ads lang ako tapos papasok na yung pera. Akala ko magko-content lang ako ng isa tapos papasok na yung pera. Bakit ganito? Bakit may mga sacrifices na pinag-uusapan dito? Why there are sacrifices? Guys, Hindi ito papasok na kayo pangarap mo. Kasi kung may pinaghahandaan ka sa kinabukasan at saka malaki ang pangarap mo at saka gigil ka, nagets ba? Like, I'm saying this kasi it's very, very important na you have to accept the fact that you will sacrifice. May pay talaga, may bayad talaga to. Hindi ko sinabing may bayad ka para sa pay-in. May bayad ka na para makuha mo yung pangarap mo. There is a price to pay. And the moment, the faster you embrace that, mas mabilis mong ma-embrace yung ganong katotohanan sa buhay mo na kailangan mo magsakripisyo. Mas mapapabilis ang network marketing business mo. Hello, Ma'am Norna. Magandang araw. Oh, thank you so much, Ma'am Norna. Like you, Ma'am Norna, nagsasacrifice ka. No? Believe ako sa'yo. Yan. Si Ma'am Norna, one of those who availed the one-on-one mentorship. 16 hours ang trabaho every day. Nakaka-inspire. Yan. Arlene San Agustin, hello. Nakuha niyo ba yung sinasabi ko? So, you have to face that reality. Sooner or later. Ngayon, deny mo pa. Sige, okay lang to kahit ganito. Kung ano lang, kung kailan lang ganito, kung kailan mo lang gagawin, kung kailan mo Pero kailangan guys, kailangan darating ka sa punto ng network marketing business mo na tatanungin mo ang sarili mo. Ito yung goal ko. Ito ang activities na kailangan. Ito ang sakripisyo na kailangan ko. Ang tanong ko ngayon, willing ko ba siyang gawin? It's okay if hindi. Cut down the activities, but don't expect to get your goal. Nakuha? Maliwanag ba yun? Maliwanag sa atin yan, ha? So, kung milyon ang goal mo, tapos, hindi ka willing gawin yung activities, hindi ka willing gawin yung sacrifices, for now, possible because of the season of your life, then, cut down the activities, maybe a half or one-fourth, walang problema, pero also cut down the goal. Don't expect to get a bigger income. Ganun lang naman yun. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Wala namang problema doon. Nakuha ba? Pero kapag bumalik ka na into your senses na meron kang goal, na malaki ang pangarap mo, na may mga taong naghihintay sa'yo, na may mga taong na kailangan kang manalo, o may mga taong nagbabantay sa'yo na matalo ka para pagtawanan ka nila, ang tanong ko sa'yo, anong gagawin mo? Magpapatalo ka na lang ba sa buong buhay mo? At sasabihin mo na lang sa sarili mo na ganito na lang talaga ako? Or you're gonna do something different for your life today that you would tell yourself, you know what? I'm sick and tired of being a loser. This time, I'm gonna write my goal. Eto activities, wala problema. Eto ang sacrifices, gagawin ko to. Bakit? Because pagod ka ng talunan sa buhay. Maliwanag ba? Hindi po ako galit. Papaliwanag lang ako. Kung pagod ka ng maging talunan sa buhay, pagod ka ng ulit kang tatalo sa buhay, write your goal in the next couple of months, before the start of the year. Write that goal. Magkano income? Write your activities. Write down the sacrifices you're willing to let go. And tell yourself, I'm going to do this now. Gagawin ko to ngayon. And you would see yourself changing the direction and the projection of your life. Sasabihin mo, bakit yung mga corrupt na mga opisyal, bilyonaryo na sila? Bakit? Gusto mo bang corrupt ka rin? Tanungin kita. Gusto ba yung pera mo galing sa corrupt? At mind you, kahit corrupt ka, mahirap din kayang maging corrupt. Ang hirap kayang magtago for the rest of your life. Mahirap mag-pretend. Yung konsensya mo, kinakain ka ng sarili mong konsensya. Gusto mo ba ng ganun? Tanungin lang kita. Kasi mga tao, minsan ganun eh. Bakit pa ako magkakandahirap? Gumawa na lang ako ng masama. Oy, sige. O, tingnan mo ngayon, ano nangyari sa kanila? Do you think nakakatulog sila ngayon sa ginawa nila sa Pilipinas? Yung mga contractor na may ghost project na binaha nila dahil sa kanila, sila isa sa mga dahilan kung ba't may baha. Ngayon, gusto mo ba ng ganong klase? Pero living lavishly sila in their lifestyle. Mahirap din kaya ang ginawa nila. Akala mo ba madali? Mahirap. Mahirap yung gumawa ng masama, guys. Ngayon, ang tanong ko sa'yo, anong gusto mo? Mahihirapan kang gumawa ng masama o mahihirapan kang gumawa ng mabuting negosyo. Ayusin mo yung negosyo mo. Pareho rin kayo maghihirap eh. Tama? Mas mabuti na gawin mo ng maayos. Gawin mo ng tapat. Gawin mo ng malinis. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Make sense? Melba Abando, magandang araw. Sino po itong, hindi ko medyo Japanese kasi minsan eh. Hindi ko, pasensya na yung mga Japanese o Korean, ano ba to? Chinese ba yan? Relate. Hello po, kamusta ka po? Are you learning? Type yung learning sa my comment kung natututo kayo sinasabi ko. Type yung learning sa my comment. So that's how you're gonna 10x your result. 10x your result is having a goal. So, okay, let's talk about this for a moment. Ang goal. Ang goal ba ay kailangan parang super audacious, parang sobrang laki na parang hindi pa nila. Kailangan, ganito ang goal. Ang goal is, pag tinignan mo siya, parang kaya ko siya na may excite ka. Nako ha? Na parang may kaba na may excitement. Kasi alam mong kaya siya, pero kaya ko siya before the month end. The year end. Ganon. O ha? Nako nyo ba? So, ganong goal. Hindi pwedeng mag-100 million ako by the year end, tapos hindi ka kumita ng piso sa network marketing business mo, tapos i-expect ka ng may 100 million. Nako nyo ba? So, write down the goal. Write down your activities. Very clear. Ano yung mga income-producing activities? Have a specific target each of income-producing activity. Write down your sacrifices and write down the things you're willing to let go. And then ask yourself this the last and the most important question. What are the things you're willing to do? Are you willing to do these things? Willing ka pang gawin. Annalisa Tagle, hello Imo, kamusta? How are you, brother? Are you learning? Do this. Naniniwala ako, magbabagong takbo ng network marketing business mo. Hindi to para sa lahat, maniwala kayo sa akin. Yung pagte-10x ng result, hindi para sa lahat. Kasi maraming hindi willing gawin. Pero kung pagod ka ng natatalo ka palagi sa buhay, at pagod ka ng pinagtatawanan ka ng iba, at pagod ka na yung business mo ay gumagapang, ito ang suggestion ko sa'yo. Another thing, I just wanted to say this, expect for upcoming webinar that gagawin ko, sineset up ko lang siya. Okay, sineset up ko lang siya. Napakaganda nito because we're gonna talk about so many things. I did this course last year, but this is not about a course, this is a free webinar. Talking about how to dominate your network marketing business in the next 12 months. So, 2.0 na to guys, kasi I'm gonna put updated strategies dito. So, if you wanna know, just wait for my announcement. Pero, kung sa tingin mo ba gusto mong umattend sa webinar na to, live, naman to guys, virtual lang naman to. So, type mo dyan webinar sa my comment. Okay? So, just binibigyan ko na kayo. How to dominate your network marketing business in the next 12 months. Okay? So, somehow in relation dito. But, I'm gonna give you tools that will make it much easier. Si Fred. Hello, Fred. Yes. Si Nezam Amar. Hello. Burley Tinapay. Kamusta? Right? I hope natutunan kayo. Share nyo to. Tag nyo mga teammates nyo dito. Share nyo to sa mga group chat ninyo. I believe makakatulong to sa mga teams ninyo. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Ipanalo mo ang network marketing business mo dahil naniniwala ako sa kakayahan mo umasenso. Taon mo to.